Motherfucker ain't got no headlights on.
We're gonna go to jail. That's what's gonna happen.
Still no headlights.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Golden State Avenue.
I flashed them? I mean, they have to know they don't have headlights on.
I feel like they're drunk and they don't know. Who's that high taco truck?
Well, he has to have headlights on if his taillights are on. Unless his shit's like individual.
It's probably individual.
You see lights in front of him?
Kind of.
I can't tell if that's a street light though. Because when he turned the corner, I was looking to see if the corners would be lit up. But I didn't see nothing. So man, if I miss it, and I know I'm going to. What the fuck are you doing?
Turn left onto Golden State Avenue.
Driving well, that's what.
No headlights! Fucker ain't get no headlights on.
Hey! Hey! Your headlights aren't on! Oh, your headlights aren't on. You're welcome.
Oh my god, girl!
I told you they didn't know!
How do you not
They
know?
were drunk! They're drunk! They don't know!
이젠 지쳤나 귀찮아 매일 뭐해 어디야 밥은 살자 baby 자기 여보 보고 싶어 So With my hands up Put your hands up Put your hands up And you just walk on by Without one tear in your eye Don't you have the slightest feelings left
Time to get silly, baby.
DJ Khaled!
Driving all over the place, doing 35 miles a fucking hour. Car's not even, wow, wasn't even gonna stop.
Kill you in front of an audience while everybody is watching in the party, applauding it. Here I sit while I'm caught up in deep thought again, contemplating my next plot again. Swallow.
I'm really gonna go that slow. wide the fuck open. Oh, dude. What the fuck? What are you doing? Why the fucking
She said she leaving, she not coming back. She said she leaving, she not coming back.
Wow.
And a bandana on the twist. Got your bitch wave riding on my dick. Now these niggas ain't shit. I done came back with the hits. Fresher than the pillow with the fucking mist. What?
Onto the California 99 North ramp, then merge onto California 99 North.
You got it, dude.
I ain't gave a fuck about a bitch, nope, would never happen. Catch a nigga hopping out of Benz wagon, pocket full of magnums, never sweat him fucking bracket. Whoa.
Hey, I'm just a nigga that wear black, nigga with that Mac. Baby, I got stamp. Baby, I got stamp. Beat it up with that spasm, spaced out like that's to bite your neck like I'm dragging. Oh.
This fucking dumbass.
Continue on California 99 North for 4 miles.
You're a fucking asshole. Ooh, 5-0, 5-0, 5-0. Okay, I don't know what that was about. Alright, got all them headlights on.
Destination will be on the right.
Alright, got all them headlights on. Turn on your fucking headlights, dude. Driving around with no fucking headlights on, like, that's so fucking dangerous. I hope that's not her on the regular, cause man, she just like threw that shit out the window. Was like, boom, here, take that shit. And I'm like, oh, okay, look, let me just get out your way.
She puts the spirit in like her. She always knows where to cry.
What the fuck, dude?
Just say you want me in the wrongest way. Let your boy taking off. And if I try to see you, girl, you know what to do. Don't make believe it's going down. It's going down. Cause when I get you to my room, it's up to you.
Wow.
I get you on your side.
Another one.
Got to take it to me.
So I guess neither one of these trucks know how to use a blinker. And this dude's trailer doesn't even have a blinker on it. Oh, but the truck does. Okay. Yeah, that's how accidents happen, dude.
Stay away. way, motherfucker. It's just one of those days. It's all about the he said, she said bullshit.
Is there a reason you're going slow? What the fuck, dude? Jesus. Going fucking 35.
Take it, hold it.
Huncho.
Dude, you are all over the place.
Yeah.
You know what?
No wonder your car is all fucked up.
Shout out here was a problem. Shout out here that on that beat. I hit it with some hours. Hold up, do it smell like flowers. Make you walk that don't. Drinking Patron, I don't drink Patron. Come through and beat it up.
This Mustang driver just backed up into 2 carts. He didn't even look where he was parking before he did it. That sucks.